All right, friends, let's begin our books. Storms by Miriam Busch Goin. Storms. All right, I see our table of contents, which would help us if we wanted to learn about a specific topic. We would know what page to go to. Weather. Storms are important. Living things need fresh water from rain and snow. Wind can help clean the air. Weather cools and heats our planet, so it is just right for life. We can see in the pictures lots of things that weather helps. Clouds are made of drops of water so small they float. These clouds look heavy and gray. Can you hear the wind blow? Leaves wave back and forth on branches. What's happening? Wild, wonderful, stormy weather. And we have a weather word here. Weather. What it is like outside. Thunder and lightning. Flash! Boom! In these storm clouds, the drops of water have frozen. Little ice crystals are bumping wildly against big crystals. This makes lightning. Lightning heats the air quickly. This very fast temperature change makes sound waves. The sound is thunder. We see a lightning bolt, the clouds make thunder, and another weather word, crystal. A crystal is a shape that is the same on many sides. Lightning is electricity. It is hotter than the sun. Some lightning jumps from cloud to cloud. Some jumps from the ground to the sky. Lightning can make loops and patterns in the sky. It can even roll in a ball. Lightning bolts can travel 60 miles or more. Wow, lightning is super powerful. This is ribbon lightning. It happens when strong winds push the lightning bolts sideways. And we have another weather word, which is electricity. Electricity is energy that can be natural or man-made. That's pretty cool. I think lightning and thunder is pretty strong weather. Let's see what we have next. Hailstorm. Thunk, clunk. Some thunderstorms make hailstorms. Hailstones are not stones, they are ice. So some thunderstorms turn into hailstorms. Ice crystals in some thunder clouds get tumbled in the cloud. They get bigger and bigger until they are so heavy they fall. Hail can be big or small. It can be round or long. And on this page, we have some examples of hailstones. There are some little ones. Here it is falling. Here's some more little ones. And some more little ones. And these are unusually big hailstones. So hailstorms don't happen on their own. They usually come along with a thunderstorm. Let's see what we have next. Tornado. Strong winds blow. Dark clouds cover the sky. Hail falls. Suddenly, it is quiet. In the distance, a cone-shaped funnel cloud touches the ground. tornado, twister, cyclone. These are all names for a fierce, fast, twisting wind. And here is a tornado. Over water, tornadoes are called water sprouts. And another weather word, funnel. A funnel is a cone shape, wider at the top. So funnel starts big at the top and then gets smaller and smaller and smaller the lower it goes. Sandstorm. A wall of wind picks up sand. As the wind crosses the land, it picks up more sand. So it's coming and it's collecting sand and collecting sand. The wall grows higher. So this that we see up in the picture, it's sand. When it roars past, it can knock down fences. In Australia, they call these storms willy willies. In Sudan, they call them haboobs. So we can see the sandstorm is coming and all the people are down there. Now this is something we've probably will never see here in Houston. A blizzard. Where do you think a blizzard comes? How do you think a blizzard comes? Just looking at the picture. Snowflakes. Snowflakes fall from very cold clouds. A cool wind blows the snow so hard you cannot see in front of you. Snowflakes are ice crystals. In a blizzard, there are billions and trillions of snowflakes. In Houston, it doesn't get this cold, so we never have blizzards. If we ever get snow, it's just enough to cover the ground. But in case you're not sure what 1 trillion is, it's this giant number. And blizzards have that many snowflakes. So that is a lot of snow. And monsoon. Monsoons are winds that change each season. India has only 2 seasons. Winter monsoons are dry. Summer monsoons bring lots of rain. Everyone cheers because the rain helps food grow. So monsoons are lots and lots of rain. In India, they have part of their year where there's dry monsoons, and the other half, they're wet monsoons. Which ones do you think that they like more? I think they probably like wet monsoons because that's what helps their foods grow. This is something that we know about here in Houston. Hurricane. It is late summer. Dark clouds form over the ocean. Strong winds pull ocean water up into spinning clouds. Hurricane, cyclone, typhoon. Hurricane winds knock down houses. Water floods streets and homes. Hurricane winds spin in a circle. The middle of a hurricane is calm and still. It is called the eye of the storm. So lots of our storms involve rainfall. Out of this world. Where are the worst storms? Not on Earth. Jupiter's hurricane has been blowing for more than 400 years. In 2006, a lightning storm on Saturn lasted for weeks. The lightning bolts were more than 1,000 times stronger than Earth's. Neptune has winds that blow 900 miles per hour. So I'm glad we don't have any of this kind of weather on Earth, because these storms are very, very, very strong, and they would probably blow us all away. Let's look at this picture of Jupiter's hurricane. It is called the Great Red Spot. Right here. It's been going for more than 400 years. All right, now guess. Storms are made of many small parts. Together with wind, these tiny bits are strong. Guess what each tiny bit is? Let's look at the first one. What do you think that it is? If you guessed sand particles, you are correct. What about B? If you guessed snowflakes, you are correct. This one's easy. Raindrops. This one's a little tricky. What might this one be? If you said hailstones, you are correct. Houses for a storm. This home is on stilts. These are the stilts. After a monsoon, water and mud flow under the house. So during monsoons, there's lots of rain and lots of mud. So it's important that there's space under so that it can flow through under the house. In a sandstorm, this tent here keeps sand out. So this is an important house for a sandstorm. And an underground storm cellar keeps people safe during a tornado. So this kind of home is important for tornadoes because it keeps you safe underground. Wild animals, wild weather. In blizzard winds, these musk oxen huddle together. They face the wind so their bodies stay warmer. In a haboob, what did we say a haboob was? That's right, a sandstorm in Sudan. Camels shut a second pair of eyelids to protect their eyes from sand. Their long, thin nostrils and extra hairy ears keep sand out. In monsoon rains, some monkeys keep dry in buildings or under branches. Other monkeys don't mind getting wet. All right, and we're to the end. This is just giving us our weather words again, so it's kind of like our glossary and the end.